This is a second day progress update for the works that has been carried out. We started 12 minutes shutting the plant, emptied the clarifier, exposed all the infrastructure, surface, internal, that needs to be repaired, did an inspection assessment, then handed over to the contractor with the engineer. Currently, they're uplifting the rake structure, aligning it properly, and also they've removed the gearbox and the motor and the upper layer of the mechanical components of the faulty gearbox. And now they're in the process of removing the faulty gear. At the rate we are going, we expect to complete it by the end of January. Just appeal to the customers to bear with us. The services are still flowing, but not to the full extent because of the repair works to the faulty clarifier. We've downsized our production, but we're doing our best to ration water so everybody in the city gets some water during this time, and we appeal to them to be patient. Hopefully, the work will be completed soon and we'll restore full service.